Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about Wipro turbo hiring for 2023 batch for 5.5. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end. I am going to give complete explanation how to create account, everything. So before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. So this is what I am just providing daily update about the jobs, internship, interview experience. So let's go to the page. This is what the home page of turbo hiring. From the starting itself we can visit here. Started their hiring for turbo from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches can apply. For the 2023 they mentioned here itself 60% which they mentioned here, and the eligible criteria, everything they can provide here itself. 3-year gaps should not be there, and 5 integrated course all can apply for this role. Turbo process hiring with the 5.5 LPA, return bonus they have provided, and CTC 5 and 1.5 for the after 1 year of completion, or service agreement for 1 year, and 70% if you broken out, everything they can provide here. About the exam detail which they mentioned here itself, aptitude, coding, communication round, and directly interview. This is what their process. So I've just provided a link in the description how to create a SuperSet account. Watch that video and start create a SuperSet account. So you can share this video to your friends, to those who are looking for a 2023 passport. They can apply for this role, guys. So don't miss out. If you have any doubt, comment me, I will surely help you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you missed subscribe means you will miss so many content. If you want to subscribe, you may get more update from my channel. Thanks for watching.